Form 4 and Form 5, let's look at soalan 11. This is Perlis paper 1. Okay, the diagram menunjukkan graf bagi fungsi fx, which is 3x minus 2. And dia punya julat is between negative 2 sampai 2. Okay, there are 2 points that they have given us, which is P and Q. Okay, pada graf tersebut ada 2 points. Okay, sketch the graph. Kita nak lakarkan graf bagi songsang of the inverse dengan menunjukkan, okay, we just have to show points sepadan. Okay, that's all. So that means usually if you want to draw the inverse means you have to like do a reflection and then pantulan and then sketch. Tapi see ya, ini adalah graf fx kan. Okay, graf fx ada 2 point. Satu point P and point Q. Point P negative 2 and negative 8. Betul? Point Q is 2 and 4. So now when you do the songsang will, okay, still the 2 points, still P and Q also. Tapi sekarang you have to see it in P and Q. We have to see it in the opposite way, which is this thing will become negative 8, negative 2. Kan dia dah jadi terbalik. Alright? And this one will jadi 4 and 2. Okay. So this is P and Q like this. Alright. So now let's sketch the graph. Okay. So if I want to sketch the graph, maksudnya let's plot negative 8 dulu. Okay, should be somewhere here lah kan. Negative 8 and negative 2. Okay, so we take somewhere dekat sini ya. Negative 8 and negative 2. Okay, then the Q will be 4 and 2. So 4 here, 4 here, and most probably 2 somewhere here. Okay, this should be, I label this 4, 2. Then you take your ruler, lukis garis lurus. Okay, so you can see that straight line already. Okay, that's good enough. That's satu markah there. And make sure you plot. I mean you write down. Okay, bila dah tulis bolehlah dapat dah 2 markah ya. Okay, 2 marks. Okay, B. Find the inverse of F. Cari songsang. Hence, seterusnya verify the inverse is obtained from the function. Okay, kita buat songsang guna the what is this? The information first. What is the fx here? Okay, so we start with the fx. Fx is 3x tolak 2. Okay, so we cari ya. Biar y 3x minus 2. So you express the x. Ungkapkan x. So we will get y plus 2. Bawa 3 turun ke bawah. So jadi bahagi. Okay, songsang sudah dapat x tambah 2 over 3. Okay, this is our first jawapan kan. Tapi seterusnya we have to verify yang songsang yang kita dapat ni is from this function. Okay, macam mana nak tunjuk kan? You have to try to ganti one of these coordinates. Okay, kita cuba ganti. Okay, contohlah teacher substitute. You substitute the songsang one contoh negative 8 and negative 2. Okay, so teacher ganti. Okay, ganti the object. When you ganti the object, you must get the image. Faham tak? Okay, so the x kita ganti ya. Okay, negative 8 tambah 2 over 3. Negative 6 over 3. Are we getting negative 2? Yes, kita dapat. Do you realize the image dapat kan? So that means it's like you have proven lah. Okay, dah proof dah yang yes, you are getting, you verified already. So dapat your 3 marks here. Okay, state the domain for the inverse. Okay, domain Okay, domain kita tengoklah daripada graph kita kat sini. I think it's straight away easy for us to see. Okay, for this graph, kita akan tengok untuk graph ni ya. Okay, so we see from here, this is negative 8 until here. So it's from negative 8 until 4. Domain is X. So it's satu markah only. Okay, done. Find the value of X jika songsang sama dengan Fx. Okay, so I'll just take the equation of the songsang. What's the equation of the songsang? X tambah 2 per 3. What's my Fx? 3x minus 2. Okay, from here kita cuba selesaikan. We solve this. So I think we can cross multiply. 9x tolak 6. I think x bawa ke belakang, 6 bawa ke depan lah. Okay, so 2 plus 6, 9x minus x. Wow, dapat 1. So got one answer only here. X is 1. So settle your 2 marks also. Okay, so I think this was a very good question. Kertas 1, but we had about 7 marks here. Okay. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so keep revising your Add Maths.